In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private error on Google Chrome. So if you're getting this kind of message while opening any website, I will be sharing you 3 to 4 methods and you need to apply all of them to get rid of this issue. But before that, I would like to clarify that how you have to fix it. It depends on what kind of website you are getting this error method. So for this one, you can try this method on any trustworthy website like paypal.com, quora.com, reddit.com, or any trustworthy website. Now to start, click on the not secure, the triangle icon, and select cookies. You will see cookies in here and you have to remove all of it. And then once you're done, just click this done button. The second method is go to the 3 dots at the upper right corner and then select settings. In here, click on privacy and security. And then click on clear browsing data and click on advanced. So in here, you can pick the one that you wanted to clear the data. So you cannot clear the password and the other sign-in data or autofill form data because it will be deleted permanently. So just clear the data once you've done choosing what you wanted to clear. And then once done clearing your data, we can now move on to the third method. So the third method is press Window plus R key and then type MMC. Click on Enter. And then a new window will open up. So in here, click on File and select Add or Remove Snap-ins. Click on Certificates and click on Add. So in here, click on Computer Account and click on Finish. And click on Finish again. Now the certificate will be added here. So just click on that certificate and click on OK. And you will see the certificate and double click that one and select Trusted Root Certification Authorities. So click on certificate again and then find and select DST root CAX3 and delete this one. Just tap on yes. And now that we've successfully deleted this one, we need to open up our browser again and then type in this link. So I will be showing you this link here. Just copy the same link that I will be showing you right now. And then we need to proceed on downloading DST root CAX3 again. So just click download anyway, and then it will now start downloading. And once you're done downloading this one, we just need to go back again and right click on certificate, click all tasks, and choose import. Just click on next and then click on browser. Now to find the DST root CAX3, we need to go back to our downloads and then click on the files you just downloaded. So click on next, next again, and then click OK. It says here that the import was successful. Now we need to close it and click on yes to save the changes you've made. So you can save it to your computer or to your desktop. So choose whatever you wanted to save this one and click on save. Okay, so the next method we need to do is you need to ensure that your data and time is up to date. So just click on search bar and type in date. Just click on date and time settings and then make sure that the time is set automatically. So to enable that one, you just have to toggle the button and it will be enabled automatically. If this one is enabled, it will automatically detect the right location and the right time. Okay, from the left menu, click on region. In here, you have to choose your own country. So wherever you are living, just go ahead and click your country here. And then after that, go back to date and time. Disable and enable the time again, just to refresh the settings. So after doing all of these steps, you can check back prior restarting your browser and open the same website and hope your problem will be fixed. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any inquiries, just feel free to comment down below and hope I can answer your questions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.